So we're trying to solve this equation, and what that really means is that we're trying to get this x by itself. And how we do that, we really are just going to undo the operations that are happening to it. It's being multiplied by 4, then we're adding 6, and then we're dividing that by 2. And the way I said that, I basically said it in the order of operations. We would multiply, if there was a number in there, let's say there was a number, just let's say 10 was in there, for the value of x. If I were to follow order of operations, I would multiply by 4, then add 6, then divide by this negative 2. I want to undo those operations in exactly the opposite order. So I'm going to basically work on canceling out this negative 2 as my first step. And I do that by doing the opposite of the operation that's happening. It's being divided by a negative 2. So I'm going to multiply the entire left side and the entire right side by negative 2. That would cancel out. That gives me 4x plus 6. Nothing on top gets multiplied by negative 2. The negative 2 is getting multiplied and dividing, basically just canceling out. And if you do something on one side, you have to do it on the other. That would give me negative 14 on that side. I'm going to continue working backwards. So I took care of that. My next operation would be, really my second operation would be adding this 6. So that's what I want to cancel out. I want to cancel out adding 6 on both sides. So I'm going to subtract 6. I'm subtracting 6 to cancel out that plus 6. That gives me 4x equals negative 20. And my last step, canceling out this multiplication, I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. That gives me x equals negative 5. Remember, you can always check an equation, check to see if you actually have the right solution by plugging that back into the original problem. 4 times negative 5 plus 6 divided by negative 2. That would give you a positive 7. So that is the correct solution for this problem.